Would you believe it if I told you that this hotel, located in Causeway Bay, Hong Kong, which has rooms on the 39th floor with their own private hot tub on their balcony, was the same hotel that you have to walk along this street to get to? Welcome to my review of the Best Western Hotel in Causeway Bay, Hong Kong, which just might have some of the most impressive rooms at the most affordable rates on the least pleasing street to look at. If you enjoy the video, please subscribe. Located about a 5-minute walk away from Causeway Bay MTR station, the Best Western Hotel is located on a not very nice street. Don't get me wrong, by not very nice, I'm purely referring to the aesthetics. This is Hong Kong, which is one of the safest cities in the world. You're in no danger on this street. That said, you might want to close your eyes as you get to the hotel. The lobby of the hotel is located on the 3rd floor, and there was no queue when I went to check-in. Check-in was smooth and efficient, and I was given the key to my room on the 39th floor. Do note that only one of the elevators goes up to the 39th floor, and so you have to get that specific one to go. That means, unfortunately, you might have to wait a little bit for it to arrive. The 39th floor also hosts the hotel swimming pool, which was closed when I arrived because it was quite late. However, if you turn to the right, you will see there are 3 rooms called Sky Villas, which are the rooms that I stayed in and which have this private hot tub on their balcony. Let's go check mine out. My room was called Barley. First impressions when you go through the door are that the balcony is really very spacious and comes with its own sun lounger. But most impressive of all is that view of the Hong Kong skyline looking out onto Causeway Bay. And also to the right, there's that hot tub. In my view, Hong Kong is one of the most beautiful cities in the world at night. Less so in the day, but it's stunning at night. And I'm not sure if this video truly does justice to just how incredible this view is from a balcony. Try not to look down though. We are 39 stories up, and that's a hell of a drop. Here's the same video, but taken the next morning. Even in the day, the view from this balcony is incredible. Now, one thing I have to point out, the room itself is nothing special. It's your typical Best Western hotel. It's pretty small, although that's not uncommon by Hong Kong standards. Comes with a king bed, a basic telephone by the side, a small mini safe, an alarm clock, and on the other side there was one power socket. The room is lit by a chandelier, but didn't provide too much light, so it was pretty dark here at night. The shower room is absolutely tiny. There's a small shower that you can just about fit into, although thankfully there was a detachable shower head, and the toiletries are generic ones where you pump to access them. The sink as well, absolutely tiny. And I don't know who installed that mirror, but they can't have been very tall, because I could only really see my chest height when I looked in it. The only thing I can say about this room is it's quite a shame that they made so little effort with it. I mean, the balcony is stunning, the view is amazing, sitting in that hot tub, incredible, and yet the tea and coffee facilities, very basic. And let's be honest, that shower room, it's something you would tolerate rather than like. I did see an ashtray there, although the chap at reception said this was a non-smoking room, so I'm not sure if he was referring to the balcony or not. But let's be honest, you're not booking this room in the Best Western for the room. You're booking it for the view. And every time I stepped out onto that balcony, I was so glad that I booked this room. The room also contains a small mini fridge, but is unstocked. You could just about fit one drink into here, so don't expect anything great. They also had some slippers, which were really handy from when you step into the room from outside in the tub. Having a soak in the tub while drinking my morning coffee might just be a new core memory for me. I mean, look at it. It's amazing. And then, as you look over to the back, you can see Victoria Harbour. Like I said, most impressive room, least impressive hotel. It was a lot clearer by daylight which parts of the view you could see. From Victoria Harbour on the right, to the main Causeway Bay skyline in the centre, to the racetrack, Happy Valley, over on the left, just about. I didn't use it during my stay, but that sun lounger would have been great to just sit, relax, and enjoy the view. I paid just under 1,200 Hong Kong dollars per night for my stay. Incredibly, this is only about 150 US dollars or 200 Singapore dollars. For a hotel in central Hong Kong, this is actually really good value, even if you just had the room, let alone one that comes with this incredible view and hot tub. Personally, I will return, but I won't stay longer than one night. Look, let's be frank, you're paying for this novelty. This incredible view, the balcony, sitting in the hot tub 39 stories in the air, but the room itself is quite basic, and the location, whilst central, is not very pleasant. I would highly, highly, highly recommend you check this out, but like I said, don't book a 2-week stay here.